Hello and welcome, vocabulary enthusiasts! Today we are diving deep into the world of English adverbs. Not just the simple ones, but the powerful words that add precision, emphasis, and a lot of sophistication to your communication. Let's get started. Number 1. Absolutely. This adverb signifies complete agreement or certainty. It's not just yes, it's yes without a shadow of a doubt. For example, I think this new strategy is absolutely brilliant for our company's growth. Number 2. Immediately. This adverb denotes the highest urgency. It means without any delay whatsoever. Like in, given the critical nature of the system failure, the IT team needs to respond immediately. Number 3. Honestly. We use honestly to signal that we are speaking truthfully and sincerely. For instance, honestly, I believe this approach will yield better results than our previous methods. Number 4. Literally. This adverb signifies that something is true in its basic or original sense. To demonstrate, the server load was so high that the database was literally melting down. Number 5. Probably. This adverb indicates high likelihood, but not absolute certainty. It's a sophisticated way of expressing a strong prediction. For example, based on current market trends, the new software update will probably be released next quarter. Number 6. Actually. Actually is a fantastic adverb for introducing surprising information, correcting a misconception, or highlighting a contrast between expectation and reality. Like in, we were expecting a delay, but the project was actually completed ahead of schedule. Number 7. Basically. This adverb is used to simplify complex information or to get to the core essence of something. It is for summarizing. For instance, basically the new system automates our manual data entry process, saving significant time. Number 8. Hardly. Hardly signifies scarcity or near absence. It means almost not at all, often implying difficulty in achieving something. To demonstrate, with the current bandwidth limitations, we can hardly stream high-definition video. Number 9. Considerably. This adverb means to a large extent or significantly. It tells us that something has changed or is true in a way that is noticeable and important. For example, our quarterly profits have increased considerably since implementing the new marketing campaign. Number 10. Ultimately. This adverb signifies what happens in the end, finally, or after everything else has been considered. Like in, ultimately the success of this venture depends on our team's collaboration. Number 11. Subsequently. It is used to show the order of events where one thing follows another. For instance, the initial product launch was successful. Subsequently, we expanded into new markets. Number 12. Furthermore. This adverb is used to introduce an additional point or information that supports or adds to what has already been said. To demonstrate, our client values efficiency. Furthermore, we are seeking cost-effective solutions. Number 13. Nevertheless. This adverb is used to introduce an idea that contrasts with or seems surprising given what was just said. For example, the deadline was tight. Nevertheless, the team was able to deliver. Number 14. Frequently. This adverb means often or many times. It indicates that something happens regularly. Like in, we frequently update our security protocols to protect against new threats. And our final powerful adverb for today, number 15, occasionally. It indicates that something happens, but not very often and not with any strict regularity. For instance, we occasionally experience minor system glitches, but they are quickly resolved. And there you have it, 15 adverbs that will truly transform the way you express yourself in English. If you found this deep dive into adverbs valuable, please subscribe to Cattaleya English for more advanced vocabulary. Which of these adverbs do you find most useful or perhaps most challenging? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.